Hello friends, today we are cleaning up the interior of this Toyota Premio. Taking care as I clean the very delicate areas is very important. The carpets and the floor were also vacuumed and agitated with a drill brush, then followed with a mop up with a microfiber towel. These fabric seats were covered in a light layer of dust and a few isolated stains which were treated accordingly with a very light agitation and then extraction to quicken the drying process. The hard surfaces of the interior were also gently agitated with a mild shampoo to remove the body oils, stains, and the light dust that was not removed during the dusting phase. Then they were later wiped with a soft microfiber towel and dressed with an all-purpose dressing to bring back that original shine. So that's it, guys. I hope to catch you on the next one. Have a very good week.